हरिः ओम् ओम इति एतद् अक्षरम् इदं सर्वं तस्य उपव्याख्यानम् भूतं भवत् भविष्यत् इति सर्वं ओंकारः एव यच्च अन्यत्रिकारातीतं तदपि ओंकारः एव सर्वं हि एतद् ब्रह्म अयमात्मा ब्रह्म सः अयम् आत्मा चतुष्पात् जागरितस्थानः बहिष्प्रज्ञः सप्तांगः एकोनविंशतिमुखः स्थूलभुक् वैश्वानरः प्रथमः पादः
सर्वं हि एतद् ब्रह्म. Everything is Brahma. What concept does it give? When you say everything is Brahma, how are you relating to Brahma? I am, Brahma is there, everything is Brahma. Right? But that Brahma was told to be Ayam Atma, this Atma. And that Atma is Chatushpa. in that first pada, what is that? Vishwa or Vaishvanara was discussed. What were the things? Facets of Vaishvanara, Vishwa, Jagrita Sthanaha, Vahishpradnyaha, Saptangaha, Ekonavishadmukha, and Stula Bhuk. This is what first pada of who? Atma, Chatushpat Atma. First pada of Chatushpat Atma. Now, Atma is at individual level or a totality level? Individual level, is it not? When you are describing the first pada of the Atma, and in that, so what you say? Ekona Vimshati Mukha, you say, it has got 19 Upalabdhi Dwarani, and in that, Dyu, etc., we are bringing from there. The Dyu, Murdha, etc. was told. Are they at individual level or totality level? Totality level. Now, if at individual level, how can the totality can come? So the doubt is about now what? Ekona Vimshati Mukha. Therefore, the doubt is now first raised by Bhashakara, so that it can be answered. Kathamayama.
कथम अयम आत्मा ब्रह्म इति प्रत्यगात्मनः अस्य चतुष्पात्वे प्रकृते द्युलोकादीनां ऊर्ध्वङ्गत्वम् इति.
Say, look, you can take Anvaya, see, at places, long sentences are there. So, if you are totally perfect in Sanskrit, no need of giving Anvaya. If you don't know at all Sanskrit, there is no need. Like the Yoga Vasishta. What author says? Those who are jnani, they don't need Yoga Vasishta. Those who don't have value for jnana, they don't need Vasishta. Who needs Yoga Vasishta? With jnani, at the same time, who wants to gain the knowledge. That is what you want. Now, this Anvaya, even generally Anvaya in the prose order, Anvaya means Sambandha. How the words are related to each other. That is what is described. Now here, see, generally it is more useful in the poetry, because anywhere anything can be there. But in long sentence, that also helps us. You can still. Ayam Atma Brahma iti. Where was it? Third mantra. Ayam Atma Brahma. Iti asya pratyagatmanaha chatushpatve prakrute ad sati yu lokadina murdha adi angatvam iti katham. Katham? How is it that you are describing like this? What is that? What is your subject matter? Ayam Atma Brahma. Ayam Atma Brahma, is it where? Is it second one, not third one, second one. Ayam Atma Brahma, second mantra. Iti asya. Asya means that Atma is proximate to you or remote to you, near you or far from you. We say, I have to say near. Though myself, but it is something proximate. No? Now you say, you are starting a topic about myself, which is what? Proximate. If there is the case, asya pratyagatmanaha. Of that pratyagatma, which is verily me, therefore what? Proximate, not remote, not paroksha, not far as such. That is that. Chatushpatve prakrute sati. When that Atma, which is I, is described as what? Having four padas, then that is the subject matter under discussion. Prakruta means Whatever that is in hand now, you are now talking, teaching, discussing, etc. So that Prakriti Sati, Yulokadina. Now see, if you want to show the head of this individual, which head you have to refer to? That head with bald, or which is curly hair, or with the latest fashion of half cut here, full cut there. You have to see it. At times, so ugly you can't look at them. Look at least total shave a little bit shiny. So all that head you have to dispatch. Suddenly you have to go there. You heaven has a head. From which edge of heaven you have brought this? So therefore, Murdhadi Angattvamiti told in the mantra 3 now. Ekoneshit Mukha in that is what the Angattvamiti. Katham. How are you going to reconcile this? You are talking of individual Atma and talking of the heaven, etc., the head, etc. That is at what level? Samashti level. You are talking at what? The Veshti level. How the head of the Samashti can be the head of the Veshti? How the totality head can be the individual head? How is it possible? So doubt is there or not? You don't have. Know from what Bhashyakara says, there is a room for doubt. See, this is the question. The answer is being given now.
Na eshaha doshaha.
Sir, this is not a defect. So, who Vedas know what they are speaking. We, with our limited intellect, may say, how is it so, etc. Like that, no? You know, a traveler, see, he was traveling, this incident. Olden days traveler, he was traveling with a packet of food, etc., given by the wife. With little water, he has to walk. Nowadays, not light, etc., they were not there. They have to walk. Noon time, what happened? So he was exhausted. He said, let me take rest and have the food. He ate the food and relaxed under the banyan tree. And he was about to doze, he was looking, etc. This banyan tree is full of fruits. Huge banyan tree and tiny fruits. This Ishvara doesn't have sense of proportion. The huge tree must be a huge. He didn't remember, otherwise, creepers, not even huge pumpkins, etc. You could have. So that is the. He said this Ishvara doesn't have sense of proportion. By that time it goes wrong. He was sleeping. Suddenly woke up. You know what happened? One fruit fell on the nose. One fruit fell on the nose. Then he realized, my God, Ishvara has got right, right sense of proportion. If big fruit were there and fallen my nose, what would happen to me? So like that, we think that Ishvara doesn't have sense of proportion. Vedas don't have what? They don't know what it is. Veda knows what it is going to tell you. Sir, Bhashyakara says, well, you have not understood so far, but what is it? There is what? Truth in what is said. Naisha dosha. The objection or the fault that you pointed out, sir, really it is not true. How? Answer follows.
Sarvasya prapanchasya Sadidavikasya Anena Atmana Chatushpatvasya Vivakshitatvat.
Sarvasya prapanchasya, of entire creation. What does it mean, entire? Not only you, the Adhyatma individual as I, but the cosmos. Here, what is Prathamapada, which applies to Dvitiya, Tritiya also, but not to Turiya. So, what is that? Purpose of Omkara is what? To dismiss the Prapancha. Prapancha is not only at the individual level, it is also at the totality level. So, therefore, Chatushpatva is not pointed out only at the individual level, the totality also is included, because if you point out the Chatushpatva, four pada, especially earlier three pada, at the individual level, when you dismiss them, what gets dismissed seems to be individual level. First, Ishwar, Taijasa, Prajna, go. Totality level, who are they? Virat, Hiranyagarbha, and Ishvara. They will ask you, what have you done? We are here. And when you say we, come on, tell me, are they in Prapancha or outside Prapancha? In Prapancha. Means you are not dismissed the Prapancha. And so long as you are not dismissed the Prapancha, Advaya Brahma is not possible. Because Virat, Hiranyagarbha and Ishvara, Saguna level, will cast the Guna Visheshas on Brahma. Brahma is no more Brahma. So therefore, four padas are indicated at both individual level and also totality level. From that standpoint, he says, Sarvasya, you can add there, Sthula Prapanchasya. Just for clarity's sake, don't say that. I think Bhashyakara made a mistake or a misprint is there. Don't think all those things. Just for clarity's sake. So, Sthula Prapanchasya. And what is Sthula Prapancha? Sadhi Sarvasya, entire gross world, along with what? Sadhi Daivikasya, along with all presiding deities, all deities at the totality level. So that's it. What is the presiding deity of all gross bodies? Virat. Some total deity of some total of all gross bodies. At Suksharira level is Hiranyagarbha. At subtle body level, not subtle body, causal body level is what? Ishvara. Here, if you want to restrict only to Veshti, Vishwa, Veka consciousness, Taijasa, dreamer consciousness, Prajna, sleeper consciousness, same thing, counterparts at totality level is Virat, Hiranyagarbha and Ishvara. Now tell me that Virat is in you or not? Yes? Where is he? My physical body is part of who? Virat. Hiranyagarbha. My antakarana is what? Hiranyagarbha is a Sutratma. Is called a sutra, like a thread in all. Ishvara, sleeper consciousness. Sleeper consciousness is what? Ishvara. Totality level as so that is how you see individual and total are not different. But our concept, they are different. Take Ishvara only. First thing, you don't accept Ishvara, not you. Okay. Many. And even if you accept, you pray. How you pray? Oh Bhagavan. What are you? Oh Bhagavan is where you refer to. Not you, somewhere other than you. So that is what that is wrong. Sadhi Daivakasya. That is entire gross body at the individual level, along with the, that is, deities at totality level. Say, Anena Atmana. Anena Atmana means Anena, with this Atma. With that Atma refers to Viraj. Viraj Atmana. With the Virat. Here, this is identical with what? Total with what? Viratma. Chatuspatvasya Vivakshitvatva. That it is Chatushpat. What Shruti wants to show you, Atma is forefather, not simply at the individual level, along with the totality level. And first we are talking about the Vishwa. We are talking about the Vishwa. So therefore what? Virat has to come as a counterpart of physical body. Now here, this has to be taken as Upalakshana for other two. What are other two? Hiranyagarbha and Ishvara. Hiranyagarbha and Ishvara. So therefore, when you say in Pratamapada, along with the physical body, who Virat is included, that means in the Suksha Sharira, along with the subtle body, Hiranyagarbha gets included. Again, same thing as the Karana Rupa, so it is that Ishvara gets included. Now the question is, what for all this? Why are you describing the four pathas with both individual and totality level together? Then only you will what? Encompass the entire cosmos. You will include the entire world to be negated after. If anything in the world remains back, what happens? Your negation is going to be incomplete. It is going to be incomplete. And if it's incomplete, some part of Prapancha remains to be there. And if it remains, what will happen? Brahma will not be Advaita. So Brahma is what? Advaita, not divine. If any residual thing from the Prapancha, the creation, remains after negation, that residual entity will limit who? Brahma. Brahma is going to be Sadvaya. But all Upanishads speak of what? Advaya Brahma. That what will happen? There will be disharmony in what is true. Therefore it is not so, sir. So therefore it says, when by Vishwa, Taijasa, Pradnya, along with that totality, Virat, Hiranyagarbha, each are taken in one attempt, entire superimposed creation gets negated. What remains is what? Only Advaya Brahma. So that is now explained.
एवं च सति सर्व प्रपंचोपशमे अद्वैत सिद्धि
Evam cha sati. Evam sati. When this is so, what is so? The four paths, the three pathas, Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, include even the totality, Virat, Hiranyagarbha and Ishvara. When this is what is considered, Sarva Prapanchopashami. When entire Srishti, Prapancha, creation, what a Upashami, it's Upashama takes it. Upashama is extinction, cessation. It ceases to be there. It's Sarva Prapancha. What is the nature of Prapancha? Is it Paramarthika or Vyavaharika or Pratibhasika? Vyavaharika. Because you are in Vyavahara. Now tell me, your dream, Paramarthika. First tell me, what do you mean by Paramarthika? Absolutely real. It doesn't change. All the time, same. Okay? Paramarthika. Vyavaharika, you can interact with the Indriyas and the mind. Now dream, which state of reality, stage of reality? Pratibhasika. Why? Subjective. What I dream, you don't. What you dream, I don't know. It's subjective. It's only for that particular individual. Fine. Now, where are you fitting this Jagat? First let us say, is it Paramarthika? No. It has beginning, it has an end. Paramarthika should be always exist without change. Then you say Vyavaharika. When you say Vyavaharika. When you say Vyavaharika, okay. All, yes, for Vyavahara that is true. But is the word, your word same as my word, or his word, her word? Not same. Same tree you are seeing, same car you are seeing, same building you are seeing. It's not one and same. Ishvara Srishti may be so, but our individual Jagat is what? Otherwise, those forget. The public creation created by Ishvara is one and the same or not? But for some, it is a heaven. For others, it is a hell. Still for others, it is what? A prison. Which is that true? This what is called, what is the word for this? Public is Ishvara Srishti, your private is Jiva Srishti. Jiva Srishti is what? Pratibhasika. We are not concerned with the public Srishti. Even if you get Atmajnana, the public Srishti will be there. Otherwise, complete sin go. They will say, see to it that nobody struggles to get Atmajnana. Because if he gets the Atmajnana, our Prapancha will disappear. Our Jagat will disappear. So that see to it, nobody, no Vedanta to be studied. No Vedantas to be studied, nothing to be done, because this Ishvara, this Srishti must be intact for all. Is it that way? When a person, individual gets the Atmajnana, his Srishti is no more there. He is free from samsara. Otherwise, what would happen? This samsara is too much. But that person is struggling to get. Let us pray that he gets the knowledge. We also will be free from what? Samsara. Moksha, Bandhana, Srishti is all individual. Don't think Atma wants moksha. Atma wants moksha. Why not? Come on. Why Atma doesn't want moksha? He has no bondage. He has no bondage. Who has got bondage? You say Jiva. What do you mean by Jiva? Bondage is here. With a buddhi. Liberation also is here. Buddhi. That's what I say. Mana eva manushyanam karanam bandha mokshayo. This antakarana mind is the cause of. Then which mind is the cause? Which mind is the release? Vishaya saktam bondage. Vishaya Vitrishnam is what? Liberation. You know that padlock. Only one lock, one key. Left lock. Right unlock. Like that. Mind left Vishayas, what happened? Bandhan. Right where? Atma, Brahma, Ishvara, unlock. Who has to do all this? I think we can hire a guru. Say, Guru, you do. So that we'll pay your fees, don't worry. We'll pay your fees, don't worry about it. Okay, if you don't want to call fees, we'll say Guru Dakshina. We'll call that Guru Dakshina. But you just work for us. It's not possible. So therefore say, this prapancha, which is pratibhasika, our subjective creation. Public creation is one and the same, accepted. But our, this is subject, pratibhasika. See, upashame. When it gets extinct, see, look here. By knowledge, public creation, Ishvara Srishti is not going to get upashama. I told you, what happened? If it were the case, it will not be now. Why? The first one who got... No, it's interesting, you know what is that? Like a drop of water on a very red hot pan. Moment you drop, like that. First creation is who? Prathamajaha, who? Hiranyagarbha. Hiranyagarbha is such a upadhi, the moment it is born, Atma-jnana. Puss! No creation. If Hiranyagarbha is not there, how come Virat can come? How come Brahma what? Shiva, Brahma, Vishnu, Vishara, Indra, Varuna, how they can come? You and me, how can come if... See? That is not that. So therefore, say, that is it. One jiva getting Atma-jnana doesn't make the Jagat to end. Good or bad? Good or bad? Bad. Had it been, Sunday we did not we need not study Marduk, etc. because with Hiranyagarbha, the moment he got, what happened? Entire Srishti got Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Even you are not there to say Shanti at all. So, so therefore he says, Sarva prapanchopashame advaita siddhi. Siddhi means what? Ascertainment, nishchaya. Advaita can be ascertained provided entire Jagat is what? Extinct. Extinct. Then only what happens? Many things told in the Shastras become true. So that is how. What is that? Continue.
सर्वभूतस्थः च आत्मा एकः दृष्टः स्यात्.
Sarvabhuta, continue. Remove that full stop there. That creates problem. If you have got, remove it.
सर्वभूतानि च आत्मनि.
It is one. Based on Manusmriti. Based on Manusmriti. Sarvabhutasthascha Atma. Atma is Stha, abiding in Sarvabhuta, all beings and the things, all things and the beings. Ekaha drishtaha syat, will be ascertained, will be known as one and the same principle Atma, who is abiding in all. Not only that, Sarva Bhutani cha Atmani. All bhutas abide where? In Atma. So this, look here. This is not like, see, what is said here? Atma is in all are in Atma. Not like in the basket mangoes are kept. What is the meaning by in the basket? Basket is the support adhara and mangoes are the supported. That if you say, so all, that is, what is that? Bhutas being, or no, Atma is in all bhutas. What will happen? Bhutas beings will be support, Atma will be supported. Next verse says what? Sarva bhutani cha Atmani. All bhutas are in, which is adhara there. Second one shows what? Atma is adhara. First one shows bhuta adhara, which is also. It is like that Tarkika. No? See? That Tarkika, always adhara adheya, which is adhara there. The wife said, Please, today is, what is Narali Purnima? Raksha Bandhana. So brothers are going to come. So something sweet has to be made. But I don't have ghee here. So please go to the shop and get some what? Ghee. So he went to the shop. Tarkika. Tarkika is over there. Logician. And he said, hey, wait. Take this pot. Plastic bags are not. Plastic bags are not. No. Take this pot. Yes, correct. My wife is very intelligent. This wife is very intelligent. And he took the pot. And he said, please give me half kilo of what? Ghee. So he said, you wait, actually, paid. Holding the palm, he was returning home. His logic started acting up. Oh, the ghee is supported. Pot is the support. Pot is the adhara. Support for who? Ghee. But that pot becomes a supported with respect to palm. See, pot with the ghee is kept where on the palm. With respect to ghee, pot is the adhara, but with respect to palm, pot becomes the adeya. Oh. Now let me see other. What is that? This ghee becomes adhara. The ghee said, instead of going to the idiot's house, better to go to wherever Mother Earth is better. Went home only to get scolding from the wife. There is no such adhara, adeya. There is no such adhara. All beings are in Atma. Atma is all. It is not that way at all. How we'll see in course of time. Okay. There is Sarva Bhutascha Atma Ekaha. This will be seen exactly what it means afterwards, because immediately he is quoting Ishavasya Upanishads. Because this is from Manusmriti. Manusmriti is like this. 12th chapter, 91st Sutra. Those who have got Khandagiri Tika, it is there. Sarva Bhutastam Atmanam Sarva Bhutani Chatmani Sampashyan Atmayaji Vai Swarajam Adhigachasi. Atmayaji here in the sense, one who does the Jyotishthoma Yaga, here it is in sense, Brahmarpanam, Brahmahavi, Brahmagnav, Brahmanam, means everything is what? Brahma who says. How? Sarva Bhutastam Atman. Or it is also Sarva Bhuteshu Cha Atman. In all beings, Atma. Sarva Bhutani Cha Atmani. All beings in Atma. One who sees, he gets Swarajya. Swarajya here is moksha. Let us not go in detail over that. It is moksha. Now, that's what he said. Sarva Bhutani Cha Atmani. A doubt comes. Sir, you are quoting Manusmriti. What is the authenticity of Manusmriti? Manu may be wrong. See, it is not there. It's there. There is a statement of the Vedas. Do you know what is that? Yadvai kinchana manu avadat tad eshajam. Yadvai kinchana. Whatever Manu abravit, Manu said, tad bhaishajam. That is the remedy, that is like the medicine which is truth. Who says? Vedas say. Whereas this is what? Smriti. Manusmriti is what? Based on the Vedas. But Vedas certify Manusmriti as what? It speaks the truth only. It speaks the truth. This is the truth. Then the question comes. When you say Smriti, Smritis are based on what? Shruti Vedas. What is the corresponding Shruti for this? What you said now, what is that? Sarvabhutascha atma ekaha drishtaha syat. Sarvabhutani cha atmani. Based on the Manusmriti that we have seen, it says, what is the Moola Shruti? What is the basic Vedic mantra based on what Manu has written? Bhashyakara gives it. Continue.
यस्तु सर्वाणि भूतानि इत्यादि श्रुत्यर्थः उपसंवृतः च एवं स्यात्.
So this is Ishavasya, sixth mantra. He just gives a beginning portion. Yaha tu sarvani bhutani, it continues, atmani eva anupashyati. Further, sarva bhuteshu atmanam tataha na vijugupsati. First we'll see what it means in general, then in particular, what is that in Atmani and Sarva Bhuteshu Atma, we'll see. The person who has got this vision, what is it? Sarvani Bhutani, what is Atmani Pashyati, Atmani, sees all beings where, abiding in where? Atma. How is it? Context is like this. A mumukshu, having prepared the mind for studied Mandukya. And what happened? With that, he did it. Prapancha upashamahe, or Vishwa Taijasa Pradnya, along with their macrocosmic counterpart, Virat, Hiranya, Hiranyagarbha, and Ishvara, merged, dismissed with that. What remains? Advaya Brahma. Other Brahma remains. Then he finds, he says, look here, all these bhutas which were here till now have their basis where? Adhisthana where? Me, Brahma. See, entire Jagat, which I dismissed, but earlier it appeared to be there or not, like your dream in the dream state, like that. Where was it? In Brahma. There cannot be any other basis, adhisthana for them. It is covered. For entire Jagat Bhuta, there cannot be any other adhisthana basis except who? Me, Advaya, Brahma. Is what is that? Sarvani Bhutani Atmani Evam Upashyati. Understood? Now, he finds in all bhutas the satta spurti. Existence aspect and knowledge aspect is from whom? Me. So I am in them. They are in me in what sense? I am the very adhisthana basis. I am in the sense, I lend them existence, knowledge, and also ananda. See, look here. If Atma, Brahma were not Ananda, you know, what are going to be the consequences? First you tell me, in the Jagat, Ananda is there or not? Whether you have got or not different. Ananda is there or not? Yes, you have to admit, okay? And if Ananda were different from Atma, Brahma, Atma one thing, Ananda other. In sleep, have you got Ananda or not? You have to think. Yes, how do you come on proof? On waking up, you recollect your experience. Tell me, at that time, were there any means which you generally consider give Ananda? Were there any instruments by which you enjoy otherwise? Were there? Yet, in the absence of gross body, subtle body, you had the Ananda. What all there are there in the deep sleep state? Two entities are in deep sleep state. You know what is that? Chaitanya and ignorance. Ignorance is inner. So Ananda belongs to whom? Chaitanya, that is Atma, Brahma. Otherwise, you know what happened? Atma, Brahma, one entity, Ananda, other entity, duality, Dvaita will come. It's going to be what? Dvaita. It is not so. But one thing, all words which denote happiness in Sanskrit, Ananda, Sukha, all other, are Vishayasva. They pertain to what? Vishayas. Sense pleasures. Sense pleasure is limited or not? Brahma is limited happiness or limitless happiness? So therefore, if you take to Upanishad, etc., wherever the context is to point out the Atma, Brahma as Ananda, an adjective comes there to remove the limitations. Vijnanam Anandam Brahma. Brahma is all pervasive. Taittiriya. Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. But you analyze that Brahmandavalli, the one who has got this knowledge, so Shnute Sarvan Kaman Saha Brahmana Vipashyateti. One who has got the Brahma Jnana, he enjoys all sense pleasures simultaneously. I think that is better. Means the happiness is a hypothetical consideration. If all desires of all people were simultaneously in an individual were fulfilled, how much happiness you would have got? Is it not? That if Brahma gets it, Brahma then how he gets it? Without the Vishayas, without even the body. Because with the body concept is that we will not have the Brahma Jnana. Then what happens? Panchakosha Viveka. Brahma Pucham Pratishtha. That Pucha is what? Ananda. Ko hevanyat kah pranyat yadesha akasha anandasya. This Ananda Akasha Rupa Sarvyapi, we are not there. Who will breathe? Who will survive? To finish it, give the photo finish, Brahmananda Mimamsa. Ananda Mimamsa. It is a limitless thing. Means, what does it mean? Defined, what is that? Brahma as Satyam Jnanam Anandam, and afterwards it is shown as what? Ananda. Therefore, through Brahmandavalli gives the definition of Brahma. Do you know what is it? Satyam Jnanam Anantam Anandam Brahma. That is demonstrated where? In the Bhruguvalli. Anando Brahmi Divyajana. Bhrugu discovered that Ananda is Brahma. But Anando Brahmeti Vajana. So Brahma, all limitations are what? Removed. It is not the Vishyananda. This may be true in the other languages also. In English, may not say joy, happiness, pleasure, delight. These are all happinesses. One more word is there. What is that? Bliss. But when if you see in the dictionary, bliss they give excessive happiness. We cannot take it as limitless happiness because from the Western concept, Paramananda is a doubtful entity. From there what? theology, if you take into account, I don't think they have gone up to the extent of what? Brahma as Paramatma. It may be a little more happiness, etc. But either it can be limitless happiness, then no problem. Otherwise, little higher degree of happiness compared to other etc. But invariably, all words are what? Denoting happiness are with respect to Vishaya Sukha, sense pleasure, which is limited in nature. Shastra has to bring an adjective like Ananta, Brahma. All this is what to say that it is limitless, it is not the Vishayananda. So therefore say, so that means the case, yastu sarvani bhutani atmani evam pashyati. He says, he has discovered himself to be what? Chaitanya, which is Advaya, free from Prapancha, and then reviews. Are, where was it, Jagat? In me. What does that mean? Brahma. I am the Adhisthana. Where are they? In Atma, me only. Then he said, Satta Spurti, existence, knowledge, etc., and happiness. For these individual beings are from island, and they are, I am in. This is what is meant there. Sarva Bhuteshu Atmanam. Tataha. Tataha means what? It's from Isha, original mantra. Tataha. That is, there being no other entity other than me. He says, Na Vijugupsati, doesn't entertain any disgust, any aversion, any contempt, any censure towards anything. Why? Do you have disgust towards yourself? No? At times you get disgusted. Robert can say, fire upon me! Fire upon me! Do you say or not? It is true, in Vyavahara true. But which me, body me, or mind, intellect me? Not Chaitanya Atma. First thing you don't know. You don't know that there is a Chaitanya Atma. What you are the fire upon me? If disgust were about I, do you know what would happen? This inherent urge in everyone would not have been there. You know what is the inherent urge? Let me live forever. Let me never cease to be there. Is there or not? Is there anyone who wants to die? You may say yes. Who want to commit suicide? Yes. Get hold of that person. Take him into confidence. What is your problem? Sir, this is what happened. I am not able to earn. I am starving, etc. Okay. I will see to it, and you mean it. Okay. So you will be able to, I will make you a job, etc., etc. What do you say? You would like to, really? Really? Yes, I mean it. Did you think of suicide? There is something, a wrong decision. Nobody wants to. That is the way. Sarvabhuta ityadi shrutyarthaha. The meaning of this, upasamvrutaha cha evam upasamvrutaha sya. In this manner, how that everything is in me, Brahma, I am in every being. Upasamvrita means what? He gets summed up. Sya, it gets summed up. If that being the case, unless prapanchopashama, entire Jagat is negated, Advaya Brahma cannot be established. It cannot be established. That is why, say, when the padas are given, so that is what, along with the Veshtipada, individual level, totality also is included, so that in one attempt, with one attempt of what? Omkara, one can dismiss entire Jagat. Afterwards is going to tell, we'll see afterward, that what is told at the Vishwa Vaishwanara level, Virat level, applies to Taitsa Hiranyagarbha and Pradnya Ishvara Prakriti, Prata Prakriti. If this is not so, if padas, the quarters at individual level are not clubbed with the totality level, it says Advaya Brahma cannot be established. We'll see that.
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं शोभरहितः ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति 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 हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ
Om Aham Brahma those who are attending Wednesday class, please note that this Wednesday, 29th August, there is no class.